Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see already in the title, oh my god, I'm like literally smiling. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and it's from the Louis Vuitton. I received this package yesterday and I was about to film an unboxing yesterday, but I got caught up on cleaning my car and my husband's car because I just had to deep clean my car and his car, and also I was doing like the laundry and you know, a lot of like work stuff. But anyways, I decided I'm just gonna do it tomorrow, which is today. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Like I literally haven't, you know, like opened this box. I just had to rip up this part so it's easier for me. But anyways, let me just open her up. And it came with this little box. Oh my god, it says Louis Vuitton right there. And let's just open her. Oh my god, I'm geeking. Oh my god, this is what? You guys, that's the box. I'm just gonna, okay, what else is in here? I think this is the same as my key pouch, because it literally is the same as the box for my key pouch. So let me just, all right, put this aside. So anyways, this is the, I think this is the same old thing where they put like the return, yep, the return label right here, return label. And what else is in here? The LV kind, yeah, this is the LV receipt. Yeah, mini pochette accessories. Yeah, I ordered this March 2020, yeah, March 22. Right now it's the 28th and I got it on the 27th, which is yesterday. But 22, so it's like 1 2 3 4, it's like 7, not even 7, no, 1 2 3 4 5 days shipping. And thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton, your product, da 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 da, right there. And it says exchange and returns. All right, so I'm gonna put this back. If you guys have been following me or watching my vlogs, you know how I badly want to get the mini pochette accessories. I discovered this a year and a half ago, and when we went to the Louis Vuitton in Virginia, I asked them if it's still if it's in stock or if they have availability. They said no, they haven't been, you know, making the pochette because it's really like demand. But anyways, I finally got my hand out of this. It was just so random. Around March 22nd, I was scrolling through the Louis Vuitton site because I was looking at the Alma BB, and then when I typed in the pochette accessories, it was in stock. I thought it was like a joke, but it was like, what? So I was about to order the monogram print and also the, you know, right now the dame urbaine. I was about to order 2, but then the monogram sold out fast. Like you literally have to be quick when you order this type of bags, especially the ones that's really classic. But anyways, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm excited. My heart is beating so fast right now. And I want you to guys, I want you to see it too. So let's just unbox her. Oh my god. All right, okay. So let's unbox this together. It's just a bag then. I'm gonna come on. So, oh my god. All right, so this is the dust bag. Right here. Open her up. Oh my god, you guys, dun 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 dun. Oh my god, she's finally in my hand, and it's made in France. This is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Oh my, I don't know if you guys can see, but come on, focus. All right, whatever, but it's made in France. Look how cute she is. And you guys know me, I love small bags. Like I just love small bags. Like I'm not really into like big bags. I kind of, but like not really. I'm only using them for like work, like the work bag. And if I'm going out, I mean, you know, like I have to put my laptop, that's the time I use big bags. But most of the times I just like me a small bag. Like, oh my god, like look how cute this is. And I will just put it in the screen, like the detailed measurements of this mini pochette. But this is how she looks like. Oh my god, I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view on this is side. Well, this is the front right there. This is the side. Has come with a gold detail chain right here. All right, on the side right there. So it's gold. The chain is gold and it's very thin. It's not thick, so the chain is really thin right there. You can hold this like 3 different or 4 different type of ways. It depends on you. So you can make this as a wristlet, so you can just like unhook this and put it here, so you have like your wristlet right there. And you can just use this as a top handle. Put it back right here. You can just like use it like this, or you can use it like this. And if you have like a chain, you can put like a chain in each side. I don't have a chain with me, but maybe I'll probably buy from Louis Vuitton. I don't know, they're really expensive. Like the chain from Louis Vuitton is really expensive. But anyways, this is the zipper. It's gold details as well. So let's just unzip. All right, that is really smooth. And the only thing I like about this is the, oh my god, the interior is red. So the interior is cherry red. So that's that. Just all right. So the code is in the side. I'm trying to see what's the code. I can't see, but yeah, it's right here. And in the side, it's the code right here. And yeah, it's literally so cute. And it's like a everyday for me. I will probably not every day, but if I'm just gonna go running errands, I will definitely use this bag, because I've also been using my Prada nylon bag, and that, oh my god, that is like the perfect size as well. But anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a one more time like a view, and also this side right here. So I'm gonna put my key pouch from Gucci. I've been using this key pouch. I do have the Mirabin print from Louis Vuitton, and also the one that I just got, but I'm gonna save that for, you know, later if like I'm running errands. But right now I've been like using the Gucci key case. So here is like my Gucci and my key. Why is my lashes there? Oh, I'm sorry. Right, so that's my house key. So let's see if how many stuff that it can fit in this little bag. So I have my Gucci key pouch already in here, there. And let's see if I can fit my AirPods, because normally if I'm running errands I have my AirPods right here, and my hand sanitizer. Or if I don't have this, I normally bring my alcohol, and I have my lip balm from Burst Bees. Or if I don't because I normally have one also in my car, like I have one in each, like one in the house, one in my car, and one in my work bag. So if I don't bring this with me like running errands, I normally just bring the lipstick that I'm wearing in that day. So today I am wearing the lip gloss from the Makeup Revolution, which is this one. I'm just gonna try to put this here. Hold on. Yeah, that's not gonna work, because look how the lip gloss, it's not gonna work, especially with the key pouch already. As I think I have so much cash in my key pouch, that's why. But anyways, let's just put this instead. And I have my e.l.f. blotting sheets. And put her inside. And then my panty liner. I have panty liner wherever I go. I have to have one. And also my lotion. Like this is like my hand cream lotion. And then yeah, I don't really put my phone in here, you guys, because it's not gonna fit. Like my iPhone is not gonna fit. It's way too big. It's bigger. It's bigger than the bag. See, No. So I'm gonna try to fit this. All right, so that fits, you guys. Oh my god, that is cool. Wow, so it fits everything that I need for like an everyday, like if I'm running errands. So that is literally like the best. And right there, and it's not that heavy, you know what I mean? Like, like I said, you can wear like this. I'm not pretty sure I can wear this like a shoulder bag because it's really small. Most likely I'm just gonna like handheld or like this, or like probably like wristlet or sling if I'm if I buy like the sling from Louis Vuitton. But right now that's what fits in the pochette right here. So it's not really bulky. Let me put one more thing, which is my scrunchies. I'm gonna put my scrunchies here. Hopefully this one will zip forward. Let me try to zip this. All right, so that fits. My scrunchie fits, and yeah, I think that's it. Like, I don't put, like, I already have my wipes in my car. Like, I have in my car already, like if I'm using like the bathroom. I normally have that like little wipes from Summer Eves, but I didn't repurchase it at all because I have my Huggies wipes. So yeah, that's what fits in the bag right there. It actually fits quite a lot, you guys. I was not expecting to fit a lot in this little bag. I mean, like, come on, it's just so tiny. Like, I already know that the phone is not gonna fit because my phone is way too big, because I have this XX Max. So yeah, this is not gonna fit at all. So this is the bottom bag, looks like right there. It's just so cute, you guys. Oh my god. And I've been loving the Damir Ebene print, but I really like the monogram as well. Maybe soon if they're restocking it again. And also, you guys, if you've been eyeing this bag, one thing I will tell you is just keep checking the website, like, you know, every now and then. Like me, I've been checking this like every day for like the past couple of weeks. Maybe because of the coronavirus, and then, you know, all the stores like Louis Vuitton stores are closed, so I think they're stocking the hard to get pieces like this. And I even see the pochette accessories, like the bigger one, but I was planning to get those, but I already have one. I got it from Japan, but maybe if they're having stock, maybe I'll get one. But yeah, just if you're like I said, if you're eyeing this bag for like a long time now, like I've been eyeing this bag for like over a year. Like, I've been obsessing. I went to South Carolina to check, like, no, they don't have it. Been to many couple of different Louis Vuitton stores, they don't have it. Even in California, they don't have it. So right now I think it's a good time that they are restocking the hard to get pieces and the classic pieces like this, even the key pouch too. So just make sure to check the Louis Vuitton website like every now and then, like I said, or every day. Like, I've been checking it every day. I've been obsessing to check it every day. And yeah, I just got lucky that I finally got my hands on these. And the good thing about it is you have to be fast as well. I already created an account from Louis Vuitton because when I got my Speedy 25, so I created my account. It saves all my information already, so I don't have to like worry about, you know, typing my name, my last name, email, so you have to make sure you already have the information, or you already created an account from Louis Vuitton store, because that kind of help you out with, you know, quick checkout. So that's one thing I also want to tell you guys or share, to create an account from the Louis Vuitton store. So I ordered like 3 stuff, or 4, 5, 6, I don't know how many stuff I ordered from Louis Vuitton, but I ordered this online. The Speedy 25 is online as well, and the key pouch is online. The LV card case and the LV the Damir Ebene key pouch was purchased. The key pouch was in South Carolina, and the key card holder was in here in Maryland. So that's the only 2 things that I purchased personally, I mean in person, but the other 3 was online. So make sure to create an account from the LV store if you've been eyeing this bag. And I'm still like checking the site actually, because I really want to get the monogram print. Like I want to get them 3. I'm not really like a fan of the azure, but it kind of looks so cute. I will show you guys what it looks like, or I'll probably pop up the picture in the screen. But let's see. Yep, this is the azure. Zoom in right there. So oh my god, my light. But that's the azure. It's so cute too. Like it's so cute. Like I don't have any prints of the azure, and the price for this one is $350 US. The tax that I paid, give me 1 second, I'm gonna pull up. So the price that I paid for the bag is $350 US, and with the tax is $21 US. So overall is $371 US. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me there because I announced the giveaway. So just follow the giveaway rules. And anyways, if you want to join, then go ahead and join. I'm just giving back to you guys that you've been, you know, to my subscribers and my followers, that you've been really kind and watching my videos. And also you know, we finally reached 1,000 subscribers, and I am so thankful that you guys are still watching my video. Like what? But anyways, this is it for today's video right here, and I'll probably do like an updated video on like on this bag. But yes, just make sure to stay safe because right now we are still, you know, suffering from the COVID-19, and I'm in the healthcare industry, so as I have to go to work, and I know some of you guys lost your job, and I'm not making this video to like show off, not at all. But anyway, like I said, just stay safe and stay at home, and if you know, just don't go out if it's not emergency or anything. Please wash your hands really good, and let's just all pray and hope that this virus will just go away. That's really it. Like I'm 100% aware of what's happening right now. But anyway, you guys, let's just, you know, let's just stay safe. Like I said, again and again, stay safe and wash your hands. Please wash your hands really good. I will be doing a vlog, a day in my life as a nurse technician, or CNA, whatever you call it, CNA, GNA, tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, but on Monday, like a part 2, because you've been loving the part 1 of the hospital edition. So I'm gonna do another vlog and just talk about the, you know, like the healthcare industry and what we're facing right now. So anyway, guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.